Well, before today's presentation, I normally think of these horses in the park as kind of rich brats. You know, kind of these wealthy kids who, who get fed and do a little exercise and, just, roll around and, live carefree life. But after listening to Rita's presentation, I'm starting to question those assumptions. Is that really true or not? And I think that a speech is successful if somebody, gives a thought and decides, maybe there is something to it. I can definitely say that speech was very informative. I mean, she let us know about, the councilman and the difficulties of passing the law. She let us know about, other conditions of the horses. So it's definitely informed me about the situation. Also, it was very descriptive. And if you're trying to convey an image of some kind, you have to make a picture of this horse standing in its own urine and, not being able to move. So I think Rita gave a very good picture of, there's got to be a change or something. And finally, I think Rita was quite open with the audience. I mean, she smiled and she was very, vulnerable at some point. This is what I am. This is how I present myself. So I applaud Rita for that. But obviously there are a few rooms for improvement. I mean, anyone has room for improvement. In Rita's case, I would say definitely you shouldn't apologize. I mean, whatever happens goes if it was planned, So no apologies necessary regardless of the situation, number one. Number two, I thought the introduction could have been a little bit stronger. I mean, you got all the components, so just, set it up, make this picture, and then roll with it. And finally, you did it, even though you didn't say it, but you did urge us to almost to stand up and, males in the audience go in the park and, and do what you gotta do. So I think it was a very successful speech. Thank you very much.